Hello, this is Mike Walt with LM3. In this video I'm going to demonstrate our inline labeling tool. I've seen several different ways of doing this, and we've selected the method of displaying one image at a time for the operator to label as pictures are taken. Now this inline labeling tool can be used just to label the objects that you're trying to detect, or it could also be used to evaluate the predictions that are made by the model after training is complete. In this demonstration, I'm going to show a little bit of both. First, I'm just going to describe the window. This window pops up whenever acquisition completes, and it can be run after doing the inspection. Up here on the right, it tells you what serial number you're analyzing. Save button allows you to save the labels as you change them. Skip allows you to skip over images if, for instance, the objects are in place but they're out of position. Stop obviously stops. And then this window down on the right shows statistics regarding labeling that has been done. In order to change labels, you just click on the box for that object, and you'll see it turns from green to red, indicating it should not be there. In this particular image, all the objects match the detection boxes, so this is all good. So I'm going to go ahead and save this one. This next one looks good as well, so I'm going to save that one. In this next image, the star is missing. So I'm going to want to click that one to indicate that it should not be there. In this next one, we have a little bit more of a subtle defect, which is a little bit more real life type scenario. So I'm going to check that one as a defect. And this last one, the parts move around a little bit, but the detection boxes look okay and everything's good, so I'm going to go ahead and save that one. So if you have chosen to do evaluation as part of the labeling, a window will pop up at the end giving you the results. I just inspected 5 images and matched what was expected for all 5, even though 2 of them were failures. So the accuracy of the model is 100% in this case. It's a very small sample size, of course. And then you also have details on the overlap score, which is how the bounding boxes overlap the expected bounding boxes, and an average score across all of the images evaluated, where 100 is the best score you can get. Also notice there's no false failures and there's no false positives. If there were false failures or false positives, and this was set to 1, you would be told which images were false failures or false positives. And you can copy those images to another location. You can also open the certificate and the and the files used to do the evaluation as well. These could then be used for more training. As you can see, the certificate basically looks just like the results shown on the screen, but it is a file that you can store for your records. So that concludes the inline labeling and evaluation tool demonstration.